Hi, I'm Zeke Peach with Elektro-Automatik. This is one of our turnkey power rack solutions that can host up to 240 kilowatts of power. And today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to take it from the crate to up and running in less than an hour. Whew, that was pretty easy. As you can see, it didn't take much time to get everything set up and ready to run. So now the last thing to do is just turn on power. Give power to our safety circuit, and then each unit has an individual breaker. And now you're ready to roll.